If silent meditation feels like a mental torture for you, the moment you close your eyes, your thoughts get even louder, then this is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain why your brain behaves this way. I'm going to show you a singing-based method that helps your nervous system settle the natural way. If you want to try something today, I have a 10-minute singing meditation. I would like to give it to you as a gift for watching this video. Comment sing and I'm going to send you a link to a free singing meditation. I'm Energy. I'm the creator of the stress relief singing method and I help people who can't meditate to find calm through sound, breath and voice. Even complete beginners, even people who think they're not musical can benefit from it. So if you're someone who, when you sit down and you close your eyes, your thoughts even get louder, if silent meditation just does not work for you, then this video is for you. So you might think that you're the problem. You might think you just cannot meditate, you're just too busy, too active, you're just not the kind of person to meditate, but it's actually not your fault. And let me explain why. So many people, when they get to that place where they're frustrated, about not being able to meditate, what they do is they force themselves to sit still longer. They download more meditation apps. They judge themselves for not having the discipline. And none of those things helps you quiet your mind. So when you sit down in silence, your brain is not misbehaving. It's actually doing the thing it's designed to do. When we are in silence, the default mode network, the DMN, has free reign. And the DMN's job is to think, it's to analyze, it's to wonder, it's to overprocess. So no wonder your thoughts are racing, no wonder they even multiply and you have the feeling that just speed up. Your brain just simply does what it's designed to do. So I have a 3-step approach that's much faster and much simpler than just silent meditation. And I would like to show you a singing-based method that I use that helps me to relax fast and that helps me really quiet my mind without forcing silence. And the step 1 is give your mind a soothing task. This is where humming comes in. A soft hum gives your mind just enough to focus on and it slows down your racing thoughts. And step 2 is connect your breath with your voice. Inhale slowly and release on a gentle note. While doing this, you're activating the vagus nerve, and the vagus nerve lowers your stress levels naturally through the vibration. The step 3 is you go from humming into light singing. You're just going from vibration to voice. So this is not about performing well or singing like a professional. It's just going from vibration to voice and really release it gently. You even get more activation in the vagus nerve. And so these simple 3 steps are part of a singing meditation. And this way you can just calm your mind, slow down the thoughts, because your mind has something to do. If it's unoccupied, with just silence there, it just does its job of thinking, analyzing, just going into the DMN. And this works because your brain loves repetition and your brain loves sound. And so if you would like to try this for yourself, then comment sing, and I'm going to send you a link to a 10-minute singing meditation. It's step by step, it's guided, you don't need to figure it out by yourself, you just follow my voice. It's very beginner friendly, so even if you're not a singer, it absolutely works. And this way, meditation becomes peaceful again and not stressful anymore.